Yeah guys, so this is Saptarshi at this side. So I recently bought this piece of diorama. It's from MoreArts and I got it from 303 Diecast in India. So I'm based out in Bangalore and 303 is also based out in Bangalore. And I got it from him. His name is Ankur. You can definitely visit 303 website. You have a lot of free orders and it's mainly of the premium brands. He recently started bringing in the diorama. So there were different types of dioramas. Some were of 2 floors, 3 floors. Some were the small, the Japanese scenes diorama, which you have this cherry blossoms and all those things. But I got this one because I wanted a light diorama, to be honest. And I faced some problems when I usually make one. So I just wanted to try out this particular brand, MoreArts. And recently in India, there has developed a particular taste about dioramas, and people have started clicking for like photos, doing photo shoots of their particular favorite models. The hobby has changed drastically in the recent couple of months. So let's unbox this. So this is how it looks like, the box. And when you purchase a box, so you will get an image, a sample image of how it looks like. So as you can see, this is a Coca-Cola themed diorama. I believe you can be able to see. So this is a Coca-Cola themed diorama. So there was a Pizza Hut, there was McDonald's, there was KFC. So I wanted a Coca-Cola one because I usually collect a lot of Coca-Cola themed models. So this is what you get inside the set. This is like an adapter. It's an adapter kind of thing, like a switch. I think these are the rail for the parking diorama. This is the booklet that you get, and this is the whole set. So for a diorama, it's going to come in a packed manner. Let's open it. This is already open for me. Okay. So I'm not sure what I think it's the acrylic parking garage kind of thing. Right. So this is very easy to assemble one. So there were a lot of other dioramas which were more complicated and more in depth. Intricate details were there, and those were really pricey. So you have different price range. You will get for 1500. You will get for 2000. You will get for 1700. You will even get for 3000. So this is one piece. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So let's start assembling it. Okay, let's see if I'm doing it right. So this is the manual. I hope you guys can read it. Switch this off. But now I think it is feasible. Okay. Cool. So I'm not sure about this material. Generally I use sunboard while making a diorama and I get it printed. But I'm not sure what brand, like what material this thing particularly is. This is tired. I'm feeling a little anxious while doing it. I don't want to break anything. This one surely goes in here. Okay. Alright, it went in. Okay, let's put the other one. Okay, both of them are in. Right. So the railing comes over here. Just take it out. I find it very delicate actually. Very small things can easily break. So you see you have the hooks over here. It's like a puzzle. This one. It's better I do this part first. Get it wrong. We'll do this bottom part later on. First, let me. You see, it fits perfectly. So over here is the other hook. Show you guys. This is how it looks. Like this one. Alright. Now let's put it in the pot. This is coming to life. So you have the MoreArt logo here. So let's go push it. Alright. Everything is perfectly fit. So it looks. That's how the back looks. That's how the inside looks. Okay. Now the last part. This I don't think comes here, this I think comes in here. Sorry. This doesn't come here. Let's see. Got it, guys. So this comes in here in this particular hook. You put it in this particular hook. Before that you put it into this particular hook. And there you go. It's done. Now let's take out the acrylic case. How do I open this one? Aside. Goes in like this. So let me see how to how you open this acrylic case, man. Let me see if I open. Not an opening here. Let's put this up. This. And let's light it up. Still not sure what these are for. I'll later on see. So you put it in here. It's a fit. Now let's plug in the USB. Give me one moment, guys. So I put on the USB. Normal phone adapter will do the job. So let's switch it on. Nice. So this is how it looks on the inside. More on the front, so it covers the whole diorama. It's for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars in total. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. You can definitely get MoreArt dioramas. It's good, and for the price point I got for around 1600. So generally depends on the pricing from various sellers to sellers, but from 303 it's a trusted website for folks in India. Definitely can purchase from them. Thank you.